Hello, I'm Figo Valentino, and today I'm going to tell you about the endomembrane system. Endomembrane system is a group of organelles which is membrane bonded. It consists of the endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi Apprentice, lysosomes, and various other vesicles. It has some function such as the synthesis of proteins, transport proteins, metabolism of lipids, and the detoxification of dangerous substances. As stated earlier, they belong to the same group because they have the same membranous-like structure. Do keep in mind though that even if they belong to the same group, they may differ in size, exact function, molecular composition, and the chemical reaction they carry. Endoplasmic reticulum is an organelle that is responsible for the synthesis of some important chemical substances. It derives from the word endoplasmic, which means within the cell, and reticulum, which means little nets. It looks like a vast array of nets, and it's located near the nucleus. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulum, which is the smooth ER and the rough ER. The smooth ER lacks ribosomes, while the rough ones have a lot of ribosomes in it. The smooth ER guides in the metabolism of lipids, while the rough ER helps the synthesis of proteins. Next, we'll look at Golgi Apprentice. We can think of Golgi Apprentice as the warehouse of cell, which contains a lot of chemical substances in it and playing a role for receiving, sorting, manufacturing, and shipping those. It has two sites called the cis and the trans site. Both of them respectively act as the receiving and the shipping site of the Golgi Apprentice. It sends out the substances by ripping off some of their membrane and envelopes the substances, and so then it can be carried to the location where the cell needed. We'll consider next is the lysosome. Lysosome is the organelle that contains the hydrolytic enzymes that is used for the digestion of the cell. Hydrolytic enzymes work best in the acidic environment found in the lysosome. Even if somehow the lysosome breaks out and leaks the hydrolytic enzyme, the cytoplasm will quickly recover it because the cytoplasm has a near-neutral pH. As stated earlier, lysosome carries out intracellular digestion and some mechanisms such as the phagocytosis and the autophagy. Lastly, we'll talk about the freckles. Unlike animals that have small scattered freckles, plants have central gigantic one. The freckles in animals is called food freckles, and their role is to give and transport the food from the cell to the lysosomes to digest. The protists that inhabit freshwater have a unique freckle called the contractile freckle. In short, freshwater always tries to enter the body of protists, and if left happen, will explode and rupture the body of the organism. It is the role of food freckle to pump out the excess water and maintain the water balance in the cell. Also, in some plants and fungi, the freckle takes out the lysosome role as the intracellular digestion organelle because, as we remember, the plant cells lacks lysosomes. That's all I can say about the endomembrane system. I hope you enjoy it and like it and can learn a lot of new things from this video. Thank you for your attention.